Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Katrina and please subscribe. I need that one subscription from you guys, so please subscribe to this channel because I always bring you amazing content. Today's video, you can see on the title, is a very different video because I'm going to talk about my hair. When I was in high school, I used to have a very long hair. Ilikuwa inafika huku chini, but when nilienda college, I was like, oh, let me try to do some chemical. I don't know whether that's still the same word that people use, kuweka kema. Sijui kama it's the same word that people use, but during our times that the word we used to use. At the same time, I don't know because mi sikuwaiweka tena. So when I was in college, I decided to put some chem because kuweka chemical, okay, inaka funny. Okay, nikaweka chem kwa nywele, and now my hair started growth nini mashida tu zikaanza. And you know, for you to maintain that chem hair, you need a lot of money, and I'm in college. I don't have money to maintain it. So what I decided ni kukaa hivyo, nywele yangu ikakaa vibaya. I remember ile time yenye I went home and my grandmother saw my hair. She was like, what happened to your hair? Alikuwa shocked kabisa. She really felt disappointed, and I decided I'm not going to use those things on my hair again. I'm going just to go natural. And after that, after like 5 months, I started my journey to do natural hair. So I just used to do blow dry and that, blow dry and printing, blow dry, printing, blow dry, printing, things like until that. I guess last year, yes, it's last year, I met a friend of mine, and she told me her name is Miri, we call her Mi Wanga. And I used to go to her salon. Her salon is just in Kiambu Road, opposite Quickmart supermarket. Migitu salon, that's the salon I'm talking about. And she told me, the way you're doing so much of blow dry on your hair, unaharibu nywele yako. So just do this. Try as much as you can to keep your hair natural. And that's what I did. Since that was the last blow dry that I did, food blow dry that I did that day. That was last year, like September, October, hapo hivyo. And she told me, stop doing blow dry to your hair. You're destroying your hair in the way you have a very good hair. And I decided that was the last blow dry that I'm going to do on my hair. So I started my journey on natural thing. And one thing that I decided, I'm not going to go to salon kuoshwa nywele. I'll be doing it by myself. Treatment, I'll be doing it myself. Then what I did also, I called my grandma and asked her about how she used to do my hair, because there's something that she used to I could see her use some eggs and some ova and use that as a treatment. And then I went to YouTube. You know, YouTube is bay, so I started using egg, some avocado, and some treatment, and some coconut oil, and that's what I use for my treatment. That's what I have been using. So what I do, I wash my hair, then after washing, I mix all those things that I have mentioned. Then I apply on my hair. I stay for like on the sun, kama sahi kuna jua mzuri sana, for like 30 minutes. Then I wash my hair. Then I can go for straightening. See straightening, I can do what I want to do with my hair. And I have been doing that routine for the longest time now, from that time up to now. And what I have really I had lost a lot of hair. Nywele yangu ilikuwa imeharibika sana. In a way, I used to feel bad. Even though I thank God that where I come from my dad's side, and also from my mom's side, they have very good hair. So at least my dad's hair inakaa ya waria. I wish you can see his hair in shadow. He has a very nice hair. So that's what I started using, and up to now that's what I'm using. And I had this hairstyle. For those who watched my video for yesterday about how to do self-love, how to love yourself, that's what I had yesterday. So jana usiku after nimetoka wera, nikatoanisha, na nikaziweka kana na sikuchana nywele, by the way sijaichana. So I was like the hair still looks good, nikaifanya tu hivi na nikaweka ka style. So apart from unprettying what I had, there's nothing else I've done to my hair, and I can see it's looking amazing. So for me, what I say also, there's something that what do we call it, aloe vera, mugwanogo. For those who come from where I come from, mugwanogo, aloe vera, it's very good mostly if you want your baby hair to grow. Huku, if you want your baby hair to grow, use aloe vera. It's awesome. That one is 100%. That is awesome. For me, what I keep advising people is use natural things. Go natural. Like the way I use avocado and eggs plus coconut oil. That's what I use for my hair, and I'm good and I'm happy. You can see the growth itself is awesome. Imekuwa. Najua hii ni nywele yenye ilisongwa a month ago ilisongwa. So sijaosha, sijafanya anything. And this is what I have been doing for my hair, and I'm good and I'm happy and I'm grateful to God. So guys, you can try to use that. You can try to use avocado plus eggs and some, you can buy some treatment, and also you can mix with some coconut oil, some castor oil, virgin oil, olive oil. You can mix all those things and see whether it's going to help you. For me, I go natural. When it comes to my face, I go natural. Everything that I do, I go natural. So riza kutumia chemicals and all those stuff, I refused. I go natural for everything that I do. So I thought about it when I came and someone told me, oh, you're looking awesome, and I was like, so why can't I just do a video to help my viewers? You know, maybe there's someone who's struggling there with a hairline. You can try that and see how it's going to work for you. Anyway, thank you so much, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. Please like this video. YouTube always notices that those videos that has a lot of likes, and for those who don't even comment, please comment. Let me know what your view about this video. Thank you so much, and may God bless you. Enjoy your day.